But I'm talking about introducing car content, for God's sake. So
that's true. Yeah.
Like, I don't know. Don't be too married, like thinking that you have to stick in this lane that you picked. You can
that's true.
Carve your own lane to some degree. You know what I mean? Like you can be the guy who blends woodworking and 3D printing. Like, why not?
Maybe.
If you find it interesting and you're passionate about it, like there is a way that you can package it, and then, maybe it's not woodworking. You kind of zoom out to, I'm not a woodworker, I'm a maker, whatever, right?
Yeah.
Like I'm a multi-material person. I work in whatever medium.
I do like that. I do like that. Yeah.
So don't pigeonhole yourself too far, especially, and this is, I know a lot of people listen to the show are content creators. Like, don't pigeonhole yourself too much and think you only have to make one type of thing. Yeah. Especially if that's if you find yourself pulled, like, I really want to make these light hooks, like that's good natural content. Like, you should try to find a way, especially if you're struggling to get videos out, like capitalize on the fact that you have some momentum, you have some enthusiasm for this project, and try and bottle that into a video.
I like that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
There is truth to it. Like, you don't want to go, if I went out and made a makeup tutorial video.
Yeah,
like that's just
like a little too far removed.
Too out of left. So you are right to some degree. Like, you do need to find some semblance of a through line with your content, but I don't think you introducing a little bit of 3D printing is too far off.
No. Well, I can also do now you can collaborate across channels.
I saw that. I was curious about that.
So maybe I'll just have my two channels collaborate on this one project.
Could do.
Yeah. That might be the way to go. All right. Yeah. Well, I appreciate that.
Yeah. No worries, man. I don't know. It's just there's so much advice out there. It's like, well, you have to niche down super hard and you had to like stick to this thing. It's like, there is some truth to that. And you can't go
authenticity sells, and like there's people out there that just do what they want to do anyways, and they're successful no matter what. So
yeah, exactly, right. So for every you can always find a counter example of somebody who's successful just doing their own thing. So wouldn't worry about it too much, especially when you're first starting out. You want to find something that's sustainable and that actually inspires you to keep going.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. I'll do that.